Mga kachibog, meron po tayo ditong hito. Yan po, 2 kilo po yan sa buhay. Ready na rin po ang ating stick na pag-iihawan. Ginawa po natin yan. Yan. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. Gamit po ang asin, papatayin na natin siya at lilinisan. Natin yung dulas dahil nandiyan ang lansa niyan. Start na po tayo gumawa ng ating marinade. Meron tayo itong soy sauce, minced garlic, black pepper, calamansi juice, sugar, banana ketchup, liquid seasoning. Pasasarapin po natin yan sa timpla ng barbecue. Timplahan na po natin ang hito natin. Hindi ko na po pinakita ang pagtatanggal ng hasang at mga bitukan yan. Babad nating mabuti. Start na po tayo mag-barbecue ng hito. Mag-base po tayo ng annatto oil. Base po natin yung marinade niya. Mga kachibog, kain po tayo. Ito na po ang ating hito barbecue. Tara!
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
Mga kachibog, level up po ang sarap niya. Compare nyo doon sa asin lang ang timpla or may paminta. Manamis-namis. Taba.